What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this rubber band. So this is basically what come inside. We have at least 50 pieces of rubber band inside right here, and this is really packaging really great. As you can see, come in this packaging right here, so we can basically easily pull it. And you can see guys, we have a lot of them, and this color right here is basically the black color. As you can see, a lot of them in here. This is how them look. So this basically can use in your ear to basically elastic up anything of your choice. And this is how them look. And the material of these guys is really strong. You can see it is really stretchy, so you can stretch go out about this length, so you have some tension right there, and they are really great. I've used them to basically use in my ear to elastic up things and so forth. So this is how it look.